Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get these nice little quick nuggets and tips from a fellow technician. This is a quick tip on refurbishing these dryers. And they're all fine, they work, I'm just doing my thing, clean out the air ducts and stuff. But there are little things that will cost you a warranty repair, your time going out to fix something that you sold. This particular machine, everything checked out. And as I started putting it back together, I noticed something. That this cord was laying just like this on top of that screw, which is harmless. But I said, let me just move it because sometimes those things, this is a ground wire. And sometimes that will, number one, this is wired wrong. I didn't do this. So this actually, it should be the new ground, and then this should be the new neutral over here. Anyway, the point is, I pulled this off. It was kind of sticking, and look at that. It's melting on there. So it would have been fine. After a while, that plastic coating would have worn out and exposed the wire, and then that thing would have, this is a power wire, and that thing would have ground out and tripped the circuit breaker, or caused a fire. So little things like that, man, just by pushing this thing to the side, it's all good. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and just wire it the right way. This is supposed to be here. I've got a video on how to wire 3-prong and 4-prong wires, and then this white one off the wire should be here, which is a new ground. So that's it. Just little things like that, man. Just look out for when you're refurbishing these things, because you want to make sure your customers are safe and protect your business from any liabilities. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.